Hello everybody. As you remember yesterday, we have put our sample in drying oven for getting dry mass. Now we are going to bring back from drying oven. You have to wear the gloves for protection. First, you have to close our drying oven. After closing it, you bring back the sample and you wait a few minutes for getting cold. After removing the sample from drying oven, we are going to take the record for dry mass. Remember that this mass we are going to record include the mass of can and the mass of sample. Number one, the dry mass with can is 5. Number two, you do the same like previous. 4.3. Number 3 are the same. 39.5. Number 4, 35.9. Number 5, 40. Then we call the dry mass for plastic limit. Remember that this mass includes mass of can and sample. Get 45. Do the same like previous. This is 25.1. After taking those records, we are going to do the calculation. Now we are going to continue by calculations. Mass of water equal to mass of wet mass with the can minus dry mass with the can. Formula are the same for all. Then we're going to calculate mass of dry soil equal to mass of dry mass with can minus mass of the can. The formula are the same. Then we're going to calculate the moisture content, which is equal to mass of water divided by mass of dry soil times 100. Formula are the same for all. Now we are going to calculate the same for plastic limit, where the mass of water equal to mass of wet minus mass of the can. Then mass of dry soil equal to mass of dry mass with the can minus the can. Formula are the same. Then the moisture content equal to mass of water divided by mass of dry mass of soil times 100. Then after calculation, you plot those number of drops or number of blows with moisture content for liquid limit. Then we are going to calculate average for moisture content of liquid limit and average for plastic limit. Average equal to the moisture content for the first one plus second plus this plus the last one divided by the number of cans have been taken. Here is divided, not times. This is the average for liquid limit. Then we're going to calculate the average for plastic limit, where equal to the first one plus second divided by the number of the sample have been taken. This is the plastic limit. Then we're going to calculate plasticity index, which is the moisture content or liquid limit minus plastic limit. This is plasticity index. Thank you very much. God bless you.